Hi everyone. We've got a couple of warnings out tonight, which we'll get to in just a moment. But first of all, we'll start off with tonight's chart. It's a little bit of a strange one, really, because we've got this we've got some rain moving in from the west. Now you can see this little area of rain here, and it's approaching our area now. Really, as we head through to about midnight, it starts to come across us, and as it does so, it's still rain, but the temperatures will be close to freezing in a few places further east, so we may get a bit of ice. Yeah, and as we head through into tomorrow, we've got another system coming through. In fact, the winds get very, very strong. And this keeps happening, really, as we head through, even into Saturday, another system comes through. And then we head through Sunday, and then another system comes through. And it, like I said in a forecast a couple of days back, it just doesn't seem to want to stop. In fact, this next little low pressure here on Monday looks really potent, and that's on New Year's Day. So, like I said, it doesn't seem to want to give up this unsettled weather. So for tonight, well, we've got some clear spells across the island. Cloud is starting to push across now from the west, but the temperatures have fallen away quite significantly. We're looking at -2, -3 in a few central and southeastern parts here. A little bit higher along here, along the coasts, along the windward coasts. But yeah, we're expecting some ice to develop now as the night goes on, and these showery outbreaks start to move through. We are expecting the temperatures will stay quite close to zero in a few central and eastern parts here, and yeah, we're likely to get rain falling onto frozen surfaces, which means we can get ice sheets forming. Now, anywhere really away from the coast and east of Newport seems the most likely areas. So, Merston, Ashley, Nunwell, perhaps towards St Helens. Anywhere really that's low-lying out in more eastern parts of the island here. But out here to the west, it's going to be no problem at all, because the temperatures will have risen to 6, 7, 8 degrees, and the winds will be increasing from moderate to strong from the southwest. Now, as we head into tomorrow morning, we've got a lot of heavy rain moving across the island. In fact, the rain will become a little bit more showery as the morning goes on, with the odd brighter spell mixed in. But some of this rain, we could actually see some hail and thunder mixed in as well. And as this all moves through, the winds start to veer around to the west instead of the southwest, but we see these gusts increasing up to around 70 miles per hour in more exposed western parts here, perhaps only as high as 60 or 65 in more eastern parts, but that's still gale to severe gale force, so it's very, very strong. As we head into the afternoon, the worst of the rain should move through. The first half of the afternoon we could still see some showery stuff moving through, but some brighter spells are likely to develop as the afternoon goes on, but still with the risk of the odd shower here and there. But later on in the afternoon into the evening, we start to see more cloud pushing in from the west and southwest as the next system approaches. The winds will be severe gale force at first, dropping back to strong, so maybe around 35-40 mile an hour as the afternoon goes on, but it will still be very gusty at first. Anyway, that's all for the moment. Have a quick look at the warnings that we've got up. We've got quite a few different warnings up at the moment, so yeah, there's a few issues that could be happening over the next few days, really. Anyway, goodbye for now.